In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Notion, a wonderful way to organize different types of content side by side, making your workspace cleaner and more efficient. Let's dive in. First, open your Notion page where you want to set things up. This is your canvas, a place to express ideas, plans, and projects in a way that makes sense to you. Keep in mind that your Notion page can house anything, from simple notes to elaborate project trackers, so make sure it's a space you're comfortable working in. Once inside your Notion page, you're going to start by adding your first block. Think of a block as the building block of your Notion page, something that can be a simple text, a heading, or any other content type you wish. For simplicity's sake, let's consider typing some text or adding a heading. This will be the first component of your column setup, acting as our anchor block. Now, it's time to introduce another block below the first one. This could be another text block, an image, a list, or really anything that your content requires. The beauty of Notion is its flexibility, so feel free to add whatever blocks fit your needs here. With these two blocks in place, you've set the foundational pieces for creating columns. Next, hover your cursor over the left side of the block, the one you intend to move into a column layout. As you hover, you will notice an icon that appears resembling 6 small dots in a vertical line. This is known as the 6-dot handle. The handle is your tool for rearranging content on the page, serving as a simple drag-and-drop utility for reorganizing your blocks. Now, with your cursor on the 6-dot handle, click and hold. You're going to drag this block to the right side of your first block. As you do this, pay attention to the blue vertical line that appears. This line is crucial, as it indicates where your block will land. Once you see that blue line appear and everything looks just right, release your mouse. By doing this, you've successfully created 2 columns on your Notion page. This clean organization allows you to display content side by side, making it easier to compare, contrast, or simply view different types of information at a glance. And there you have it. Creating columns in Notion is as simple as a few drags and clicks. This method can be expanded upon to feature more columns, giving you a strong tool to structure your content effectively. Enjoy customizing your workspace, and thanks for watching.